Hi everybody, Denny here. How y'all doing today? I tell you what, from the weather forecast, a lot of you are doing real cold. We're pretty cold here where I am in Washington State, but nothing compared to the upper tier there in the Midwest. So you guys be careful, okay? Be real careful because this is dangerous cold. Well, today we just put the last couple of finishing touches on the lesson and get ready to move on to the next lesson, which I think you're going to like. It's going to be kind of fun to do. I'll surprise you with it tomorrow. And I just want to take this time to welcome those who've come over to be with us from TikTok, which unfortunately appears to be going to go dark tomorrow. And I made my last post on there today. Now, if it should ever open up again for real, then I'll probably go back there also. But for right now, welcome to my platform here on YouTube. And by golly, we'll just continue with the lessons with no break, okay? So let's head on over to easel and get to painting. I'll meet you there. And here we are. Okay, let me get myself pulled up here. Okay, we're just going to put the finishing touches on this. And just a little bit of more intense green, okay? Just here and there. And as we do this, let's just talk about what we did to produce this painting. It's just a series of washes of color. We did our three-tiered sky all at once, touching the bottom of each successive layer so that they would meld together and play nice, which they did. And then we continued down onto the lower layer. We have a lighter and more intense and then extremely intense colors in here. And then we went to the trees and we shadowed in an area to be the highlights on the limbs of the trees. And everything worked exactly as we hoped that it would. And we ended up with a pretty nice little painting that didn't take forever and a day to do, okay? And so tomorrow we're going to start on our next painting. And I think you're going to kind of like it. We will take it again in steps and end up with something that's nice and pretty. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. This is always the part that scares Ann to death because she knows one of these days I'm going to rip it right through the middle of the painting. And she may be right. Okay. But as we take the tape off, we see that we have a painting that is pretty doggone nice. It's one that would, if I could get this tape loose, it's one that would be all right in a small frame. What do you think? Did we do okay? Okay, be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, leave comments on it, and I want you to remember, as always, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. That was a pretty easy finish off. And now we're ready to move on to the next lesson. So until I see you tomorrow, just remember, if you're in that bad cold area, be careful, okay? It's dangerous out there. And be sure now to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get all of the notifications that we're on. Leave comments. Those are so important. And I want you to remember that I welcome you who've come from TikTok onto this app. And we're looking forward to continuing our relationship with you. Give me a comment. Let me know you've come over, okay? So remember this always, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you.